Hey guys, it's Azad with CREW TV. I'm down in Silver Springs with Alejandro. How's it going, Alejandro?
Good, things are great.
Yeah, you guys might remember Alejandro. He did buy a property through us in Haysboro. No, Thorncliffe. I always get that wrong. In Thorncliffe. And Alejandro, let's quickly talk about that one. You bought it, you just held on to it, rented it out. Do you remember what you bought that for and what you sold it for?
Yeah, I picked up property up for $394.
Yeah, $394. And then was it a year and a half you held on to it?
I held on to it for 14, 15 months.
Okay, and then how much did you sell it for?
I sold it for $524.
$524 in 15 months.
15 months, that's right.
That's crazy. And then we know you went up to Edmonton and you tried out a renovation up there. And it is a little bit difficult, it seems like, to renovate in Edmonton. Their market, and people ask us all the time, their market is a little different from Calgary, where we really have a good pulse on the market here in Calgary. And now we're in Silver Springs. So what are we looking to do with this kitchen? I know we've got this, and we'll just quickly talk about what's going on with this wall. Tim and I want you to open it up, and we're just discussing the beam issue and how much a beam would cost. So to open this up completely, what do you think it's going to cost to do that? And the reason why we want you to do it is because it will bring this natural light from west-facing backyard right through the whole main floor.
Yeah, no, opening up the concept here, it's going to help bring the light through. We're talking about $3,000, give or take. We got to put up engineer beam. So we're just, we need to find out what the length of the beam is going to be. But yeah, we're talking about that amount, $2,500 to $3,000.
Yeah, so what did you buy this property for?
$655.
$655. It did go into multiple offers.
It did. There were 3 offers.
3 offers, and we had to go unconditional.
We did.
And so what's really funny about this project for Alejandro is when we're pulling comps for these properties, Tim and I know that we've actually done flips in Silver Springs before, and we know if we give the end user exactly what they want, like hot lights and nice flooring and new counters, open plan, we know people will pay for it. We've had success here before. That's why we're happy for you to go ahead. So what is your budget on renovations going forward, and what's the timeline looking like?
Timeline, we're talking about 4 to 6 weeks to finish the project, and a renovation budget is around $55,000 to $60,000.
Yeah, you have a little bit of leeway. We're trying to stick to 55. And then the ARV, we're looking at anywhere numbers in the 150,000 ARV range. And then it would sell quickly because it would be vacant and you'd be in and out. So what can you tell people out there that are thinking of doing renovations like yourself? I know we're going to keep an eye on Alejandro and use this as a good case study for people out there, just because you are going ahead with it right now and people want to see what's happening in this market. What can you tell them out there with doing renovations in a hot market like this?
Renovations, you still have to be disciplined with the budget. There's multiple things you can always do, but you have to stick with your budget. And there is always risk in every industry in real estate. But with this market, I think the risk is minimized.
Yeah, exactly. So yeah, we're in Silver Springs. The C train station is not far from here. We've got a double car garage. We've got extra parking out front. We're going to do some touch-ups outside, just some minimal touch-ups out there. And we can't wait to show you the progress in a couple of weeks' time. Thanks, Alejandro.
You're welcome. Thank you.